We got a gazillion bucket loads of snow. My question is, how much did we really get? And how do you measure it? When I listen to the experts, they're telling me that we got 3 inches, 5 inches, 7 inches, 2 inches. My question is, how much did we really get? And how do you measure it? As you can see, I have measured the snow in several different places and gotten several different answers. So how do the weather guys tell me how much snow we got? We're going to ask some experts. Hey, Holly, Kiwi, how do we measure how much snow we got? Well, let me know if you can figure it out. Girls and young men, how do I measure how much snow we got? Go ahead, speak up. Hey, Margaret, how do I measure how much snow we got? No, I know I use a rule, but where? Hey, Barney, how much snow did we get today? Yeah, I know it's confusing, but, well, I don't know. Maybe you should contact your cousin up north. Maybe they can tell us. Hey, Frank, you got just a second? I was wondering if you can tell me how to calculate how many inches of snow we got. I get the tape measure part. I don't get the where to measure it part. Nothing, huh? Okay, thank you. After asking a multitude of experts around the farm, the conclusion is we think the weather people guessed. Just saying. Until next time, I'll see you down at the barn. Whoa, Margaret, you can't just say that. No. You can't use that kind of language on YouTube. Sorry.